Hello. My name is Max. A lot of people call me WHOOPTY. It's been a name that's been around since 2015, not just the song that just came out, no. It's been my name, alright? Anyways, this is my first YouTube video. Seeing what it's all about. Trying to catch the vibes of the YouTube and seeing how far this can go. My plan is a lot of car videos. I go to a lot of meets. I feel like a lot of people, they enjoy the content that I'd make because a lot of people like the same thing I do, so I've been supposed like to share the culture. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do your oil change, just as a starter video, you know, just get my feet in the water, a little splish splash. Let's get it going. All right, so part of the intro, you know, you got to show your vehicle, I guess. So this is my first vehicle purchased by me. Nothing really to it. You guys know how it is on your first vehicle, but here it is. 2016 Focus ST. Pretty clean. We don't got many tunes to her other than the stock tune. Show you guys underneath the hood real quick. She's stock. Stock is all hell. We got just a new air filter, broken window wiper cleaner cap, and for all that you know how STs are, my blow off valve is behind my tire, but that's all I got. I don't have much. Just trying to make it a clean build, just add a few aesthetics, and that's where I am right now. So let's get started. Alright, we're doing the head cam. Here's my girlfriend. But let me know if you guys like this better than me just recording, because I bought this head cam for a reason and I don't want it to go to waste. So
First thing you gotta do is grab your jack, if you got one. Harbor Freight's a great place to get a jack. They're cheap. Some of them are low profile. You're gonna need them if you have your car lowered. Which, if you got your car lowered, I hope you know how to do your own oil change. Fuck. This is not gonna work. So, we have to move the vehicle. Now you grab your jack. Oh, I got a mess. What? We're too lazy to move. So fuck. Alright. We'll go grab our jacks. Now we put it underneath the vehicle. I like to put mine on my strut because that's really the only place I know how to put it. I don't really care that all too much. Good enough. Right? Yeah, that should be fun. Actually, I'll give it another couple pumps. Let's see if she goes up one more. Oh yeah. There we go. Now she's at a good standing height. Put her right between that strut. Ooh. A little fast, but we're golden. And now we do the other side. Good enough. Alright. Should be good right there. Alright. Should be good. Yep. Alright, next we're gonna go handy dandy toolbox for my car. I actually need a T30 for the underside, under plate of my vehicle. Splash shield is what it's actually called. Ratchet fits. Yep. And we're actually gonna need 10 mil. Alright, I don't have one. That's awesome. 10 mils never appear. Oh, they do. Okay. So grab adjustable wrenches of all sizes. And then we go back to the car. Now we're throwing on the work boots. Because who the fuck does oil changes in fucking Jordans? Nobody. But me. Alright, now we're all set. Let's go. Let's get underneath the vehicle. I got my T13 on my 10 mil. So that's all we're gonna need under here. So for my car, got these T30s everywhere. They don't even screw in. I don't even know what the point of them are. Whoa. Boom. 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 Now, all of them are T30s, but this one 10 mil in the fucking corner. Okay. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Now let's get to the oil filter and the drain plug. We got our adjustable wrench, ratchet, up and down, whatever, doesn't really matter, but this is the only ratchet that fits the socket. So we're gonna put this socket in. It's a 17 millimeter for mine. Pretty sure they're usually, oh actually, no. Alright, excuse my shittiness of recording. I don't know how to work this goddamn thing. But the oil's out, alright? All you gotta do is take your drain plug, you put it in here, or you take it out and the oil comes out. It's not that hard. I just messed up, thought I can do something cool, stop the picture, start again. I just didn't record in general, so we fucked up, but seems like we're dripping down. Yeah, let's put this fucking drain plug in. Fuck it. Beautiful. Now you want to make sure that you don't get this thing too tight, because if you're like me, not the strongest guy in the bunch, but if you tighten it too tight, you're not going to be able to get it back off. So just give it a nice snug. Not, it's a, okay. So this next tool, I have no fucking clue what it's called, but you know how the motion goes. It's like that. So you fit it over, pull it up, and as soon as you twist, it tightens itself and squeezes onto that oil filter, and it makes it easy to get out. I've learned to love this tool. It has saved me many struggles and time. We all know that time is money nowadays, so gotta make things quick. Just nice and attached. Make sure we're on. Unscrew it. Do all this shenanigans. Get this over here, and it's as simple as you put it on. Oh. You put it on. Get to a comfortable turn. Oh, I can't do it over here. It's not really an example of time and money, but there we go. So we got it loose. This is gonna be hot as fuck. Yep, that hurt. Alright, usually this thing makes a fucking mess. So, as you can see, this is hot as shit. Alright. Now you guys remember when we bought this. Put your old filter, take out your new one. What you want to make sure you do is take the old lube from the old oil. I want to lube up this seal. I want to get it nice and lubed up. So you can just boom, nice and lubed up. All you're gonna have to do is just screw that bad boy back in. Oh yeah. All you need is just a hand tighten. And boom, you got it. Now we just gotta add some oil. Alright, and now to the last part, the fun part. Having to pour your liquids in. So you're gonna want a funnel. It makes sense. Don't get some skinny funnel. If you get a skinny funnel, it's just all gonna go everywhere. It's never a fun time. Just put that bad boy in right there. My car takes 4.5 quarts of oil, but every single time I put in 4.5 quarts, the dipstick never says it's enough, so I just put in 5. Give her a pop. Let her drink. Give her some juices. Oh, you don't want to do that though. Every drop. Oh yeah. You're as simple as done. All you gotta do, put the, actually my OCD needs me to put it that way. There we go. Boom. You're done. That's how you do an oil change. Quick, easy. Go to a dealership. You spend like, I don't know, 60, 70 bucks for oil change. I paid 35 bucks. Got it done within maybe 30 to 45 minutes. It's just a way to save some money here and there. Some people, they have their days where they're low on money and they need something like this. Do it yourself, man. Really isn't that much. Last part, we just gotta clean up. Oh fuck. Clean up what messes we've made. Oil. Get to that in a second. I put that in a waste jug. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But we gotta put this stupid splash shield back on. Absolutely hate this thing. It's actually probably the worst part of doing an oil change. If you have either a Focus ST or something that has something along these lines, it is so freaking annoying when you gotta put this stupid fucking thing on. Get our bolts. Usually I hand tighten them before, otherwise it's just gonna fall on my face. Line up holes. 1, 2, 3. 4. 5. 6. And this random 10 goes right here. I have absolutely zero clue why, but it's just there. I just gotta tighten them all down. I don't know how that just changed on me, but it did. See, this is why I hate it. It literally takes so much effort just to get this little fucking screw on. In my opinion, not necessary, but I live in Illinois, so it's kind of needed. Oh my word. See, hello? Alright. In Chicago, we got a lot of snow, as you guys know, so kind of need it so my motor doesn't rust. And then my last one is my 10 mil. And there you go. We did an oil change. So for this last part, this is where we drain all the oil in my family. We usually don't just pour the oil somewhere random. Like to dispose of the oil well. And careful. Voila. Put the cap on before it drips all over the driveway. Oh. Alright, for our final process, just close up the hood real quick. Now you gotta go grab your jack, take her off the jacks. Alright, finally got there. Pump her up real good. Make sure she's off. Well, don't do that.
She didn't like that.
And then go to the other side. Oh, that's pump. She's off. Just pull. And then let her down nice and gentle. And there we go. So yeah guys, that was my first video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, my first video, I got a lot to improve. I know that I messed up. I even messed up probably a whole bit in the editing that I didn't even do the video of me taking off the drain plug. I don't know why, but like I said, trial and error, but that's how we do. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back for more content, but I just wanted to try it out. Just got the camera, so we had to choose something, alright? Y'all have a good one, stay safe, adios.
Whoopty, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie.